On the bench this evening we have a Girling 1905 brake master cylinder from JCB 3CX. It's 82. It's the one with the Perkins engine, not that that would matter, but that's what we have. I bought this recently. The brakes were stiff on it, solid, and I knew from looking at it on the day that somebody had put the wrong brake fluid in there. So I reckon Dot4 or some silicone based brake fluid was used. It's supposed to be LHM, which is a French term, acronym, stands for liquid hydraulic mineral. So basically a mineral hydraulic oil is supposed to be used. So if you buy LHM, it's available everywhere. It's a green fluid, initially brought out by Citroën, and it's typical of machinery from that time. Now, as I said, they were solid, locked solid. These reservoirs were all crudded up. I've cleaned them up fairly good. You can see there that there is slight crazing or cracking, but nothing to stop me from using it again. You can buy a new master cylinder from Conaty. I think it's maybe €70. I've opted to just buy the kit, which is a tenner from Quality Tractor Parts. So you'll have to leave this steeping for a while. The rubbers are probably swollen from the last fluid. I managed to get this one out, bit of freeing. I made a connection here with the old brake line, so I pressurized it. You have to block off that one there. You can do that with the cup. I just cut a half of a steel nail and put it in there backways, and that'll block that. And a bit of pressure and a bit of freeing oil will free it out. And once you get it out, then it's pretty straightforward to disassemble. There's a little tab here that you press, and that gets the spring off the piston. And then listen, it's pretty straightforward. There's actually if you get the kit, there's a breakdown of what you have to do. So get it all together then, and make sure it's all clean. Oil it up with LHM and put it back in together, and back onto your machine, and then you're going to have to fill it and bleed it. Bleeding will be another job, but it's very possible to repair. The main thing is don't put Dot4 in a machine of that era. By the way, the kit is 4192 and it's specified for David Brown, but like David Brown was a UK manufactured tractor, the same as the 3CX, and it's compatible, and I've fitted it and everything works.